Today I am going to show you what is friction. First, let me show you a car moving down a smooth surface. Next, I am going to show you a car moving down a rough surface. Oops, the car is not moving. So I'm going to lift up the track and yes, the car is moving down. Thank you.
Thank you to our guest speaker. Today, let us discuss friction. Whenever two objects rub against each other, they cause friction. Friction brings resistance to the motion. Here, we have a heavy shelf. Gravitational force keeps it standing on the ground. When the shelf is not moving, there is no friction. However, when a person starts pushing the shelf, the bottom of the shelf rubs with the floor, causing friction. When the force of the push is larger than the friction, then the shelf starts to move. How strong the friction is depends on the weight of the moving object and how smooth the two surfaces are. In our experiment, when the car is on a smooth surface, the effect of the gravitational force is larger than the friction. Therefore, the gravitational force can move the car down the slope. To demonstrate the effect of friction, we stuck sandpaper on the surface to make it rough. When the car is on a rough surface, the friction force is higher than the effect of the gravitational force. Therefore, the car is held by friction and it does not move down the slope. When we tilt the track higher, the effect of the gravitational force on the car increases. When the gravitational force becomes larger than the friction, the gravitational force now starts to move the car down the slope. Now, you may be surprised to learn that friction exists around us in our daily lives. Let me show you a few examples on how friction is helping us in our daily life. Friction helps us to slow down and stop our car while driving. This prevents us from crashing into something. When we walk on slippery surfaces, friction helps our foot to grip on the ground and prevents us from falling. When we use our laptop, friction helps us hold the screen at an angle so we can use the laptop comfortably. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would appreciate it if you could please take the time to like my video and subscribe to the channel.